Imagine your child coming home from school excited about their new teacher, but this teacher isn't like the others. This teacher is artificial intelligence. It's a scenario that sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming a reality. AI is already grading essays, personalizing learning plans, and even providing feedback on student writing. The world of education is rapidly evolving, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. While traditional classrooms with human teachers will always be essential, AI is emerging as a powerful tool to enhance and personalize the learning experience for every student. But this new frontier also comes with challenges that we need to address head-on. This isn't about replacing teachers. It's about empowering them with technology that can help them do their jobs even better. It's about giving every student the opportunity to learn at their own pace, in a way that makes sense to them. It's about preparing our children for a future where AI will be a part of everyday life. The question is, are we ready for this new era of education?
AI is already making its presence felt in classrooms around the world, albeit often in subtle ways. One of the most common applications is in online learning platforms. AI algorithms analyze student performance data, identify areas where they might be struggling, and then personalize the learning experience accordingly. For example, if a student is having trouble with fractions, the AI can provide them with extra practice problems, offer hints, or even adjust the pace of the lesson to match their understanding. This level of personalized attention would be impossible for a single teacher to provide to an entire classroom of students. Beyond personalized learning, AI is also being used to automate administrative tasks, such as grading multiple choice tests and providing feedback on grammar and syntax. This frees up teachers' time, allowing them to focus on more meaningful interactions with their students, like providing one-on-one tutoring or facilitating engaging classroom discussions. While these early